In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve macro mode settings on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and if we open up Camera app, we can find out that macro mode turns on automatically when we place some object close enough to our camera. If you see that icon here, it means that now camera turned to macro mode. However, we can manually turn that mode off. To do that, all we have to do is just tap at that icon until it turns into that grayed out icon. However, once you close camera up and open it up again after a while, it will again switch macro mode to auto. So it will be again turned on, depends on the distance to object. However, we can easily preserve the last macro mode settings. To do that, all we have to do is just head over to Settings, then scroll down until we find Camera. Then we need to get into Preserve Settings, and that's where we can easily find that macro control feature. If we turn it on, it will preserve the auto macro settings rather than automatically using the ultra-wide camera to capture macro photos and videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.